Fusion Markets advertises itself as a super low-cost broker with ultra-tight spreads and no minimum deposits. But is Fusion Markets actually the right place to trade your capital, or just sharp marketing for low-cost accounts? Today I'll show you the real numbers, run the one live test you must do before funding, and explain which trader types should and should not use Fusion Markets. Welcome to NextGen Traders community. Trade smart, leave bold. Your shortcut to mastering the markets starts now. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Trading CFDs carries risk. You can lose money. Fusion Markets is a relatively young but fast-growing broker that markets itself as a low-cost ECN-style provider with very competitive pricing, multiple platform support, and a $0 minimum in many regions. It supports MT4 and MT5, offers raw and classic account types, and emphasizes minimal non-trading fees. In short, Fusion's selling point is a low cost and simple pricing, but we'll test if that promise holds in real use. Fusion Markets offers Forex majors and minors, 90-plus pairs, indices, commodities like oil and gold, crypto CFDs, and US share CFDs in many regions, roughly 250-plus instruments listed on their product pages. That makes it solid for Forex-first traders and for multi-asset retail strategies that do not require extremely exotic instruments. Important point, instrument availability and leverage can vary by legal entity and country, so always check your demo or live instrument list before you deposit. Fusion supports MT4 and MT5, offers TradingView connectivity, and also lists VPS options for algorithmic traders. For automated trading, MT5 is the deeper choice. For chart-first trading, TradingView integration is a useful extra. Practical tip, demo the exact server and platform build you plan to trade on. Spreads, symbol suffixes, and execution behavior sometimes differ between platforms and server locations. Account types, Fusion provides a zero account, raw spreads plus commission, and a classic account, commission-free spread markup. They promote no minimum deposit in many regions, making the broker accessible to beginners. For pro features, institutional connectivity, larger volumes, contact their sales IB team, as some services require onboarding or minimum balances. Here are the numbers traders actually care about. Industry tests and Fusion's own data put their raw zero pricing among the cheapest for retail Forex. Many comparisons show sub-pips, often sub 0.1, 0.3 pips average on EUR USD in normal liquidity when using raw accounts plus low commissions. Several review sites call Fusion one of the lowest cost brokers in 2025. Two caveats. Spreads widen in extreme volatility, and effective cost depends on your commission model and base currency, so always model your volume. Fusion Markets lists multiple deposit and withdrawal methods and states no deposit fees for many methods. Their site also explains withdrawal options per country. That said, processing begins after internal approval and local bank rails can add time. Do this live test before you scale. 1. Complete full KYC verification. 2. Deposit a small amount, $20, $50, or the smallest local amount. 3. Immediately request a withdrawal of that same amount. 4. Document timestamps, deposit, verification completion, withdrawal request, processing time, arrival in your account. Public reviews praise Fusion's withdrawal speed and low fees, but always validate for your region. Fusion Markets operates multiple entities, an ASIC-regulated Australian arm for Aussie clients, plus Vanuatu and Seychelles entities for international clients. ASIC coverage for Australian clients is a strong trust indicator. Offshore entities have lighter protections. Fusion also highlights client fund segregation and has collected several industry awards for low-cost trading. Trust is high for ASIC clients. Protections vary by entity, so verify which legal entity is responsible for your account. Customer experience, multiple review sites and community feedback note fast, helpful support, and 24/7 availability in many cases. Fusion also provides guides, calculators, and some education tools, although their education suite is smaller than legacy educators. Practical test. Open live chat before funding and ask, which legal entity will hold my account? And how long do withdrawals take in my country? Quick, precise answers are a green flag, vague or slow replies are a caution. Fusion Markets is an excellent choice if your priority is lowest trading cost and fast, modern execution on MetaTrader and TradingView. For retail Forex traders, algorithmic EA users and scalpers who model per lot costs, Fusion's raw pricing and low commissions are compelling. The trade-offs. Product depth and educational content are not as extensive as some legacy brokers, and protections differ by legal entity. So always confirm the entity, run the live deposit withdrawal test, and demo the platform before you scale.
Trading journey doesn't stop here.
Get free tutorials, market news, and trading signals on Telegram at NextGen Traders. Follow us on X.
And earn certificates at nextgentraders.com.
Need the right broker? Head to nextgenbrokers.com. Subscribe, like, and join the NextGen Traders community where traders grow together. Produced with AI video technology. Content is for educational purposes only. Subscribe for weekly market insights and trading mindset strategies.